clouds. We're leaving the atmosphere. What is this first layer of atmosphere called? Wow, look at the beautiful sky. Oh, this is heaven. Wow, those fluffy clouds. There's a painting right there. Uh-oh. What's sounds like an engine just wow, look at that. Rolls Royce. What is it, a B? 757. 300 series. Rolls Royce engine. I feel safer already. Here we go. Hold your breath. We're going under. That's it. It's all. Wow, I just saw a mini rainbow. See our shadow through the clouds? I do. Amazing, just amazing. You know, I went skydiving once and this is exactly what I saw. I was above the clouds in Switzerland and I saw the tops of the mountains. It was amazing, amazing. I don't know if I would do it again, just jump out right now, I don't know. Got my eye open for, you know, UFOs. There's some odd looking clouds over here. Wow. Very odd. Oops. Look at that weird cloud right in the middle of the screen. That is a weird. Feel like you were just floating. I'm in love with the color blue right now. Gorgeous. I'm so glad I got the windows. 4 minutes, 22 seconds.
I tell people the time when they're viewing it. And then else to talk about 4 minutes and 32 seconds.
It's probably annoying you, but I can film this all day. It's so beautiful.
The engine's noisy. You don't notice how noisy the engine is? It's
Yeah.
abnormally noisy. It's not supposed to be noisy like that. Sounds like we're in a prop. Have you ever noticed I'm a nervous flyer?
You are?
Yeah, that's how I notice these things.
What does your hat say?
says nervous flyer. Beware. Okay.
Okay, thanks.